Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. When you're traveling, you need to make sure that you have a way to keep all of your devices charged and to use all of your items that you bring with you. This adapter from TESSAN was exactly what we needed on our trip to Europe. It is the Type-C adapter and it works in most European countries, so make sure that you double check which countries support this kind of adapter. But this one was perfect for me. I was able to use this in the airport and also at my Airbnb and all of the hotels that we stayed in. It was exactly what we needed. It has these two USB adapters as well as a regular plug for the outlet. So I was able to keep all of my devices charged, like my phone and my watch, but also I was able to use this to plug in my laptop and it worked perfectly. I didn't have any issues with it. It fit in every single outlet that we came across, and I really appreciated having this with me. It was a huge help when traveling to Europe. So if you have a trip coming up, then you should definitely give this a purchase. It is the greatest value. I really loved having it with me, and I couldn't have survived without it, but that's just my point of view.